Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all the lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Now, my loves. I come to know this man, you know, I come in a expiration. Yes, man, I come in a expiration this man, and me very bex. My loves are very bex. Oh, happy lazy Monday. How do the wagwan? Everybody all right? All right, blessings. Yes, no, my love. Me say me come bex this morning, man. Me come bex. Lady, do we a thing, my love? Me a Agnes, me a talk. I don't know about what me a talk about me, Agnes. You understand? Lady, do we a thing, my love? Never reach we yet in our life. It never reach me a Agnes yet into life. Then, you know, imagine, me sit down over lady, the yada me see she, I do her foot them. You understand, my love? She doing foot shall. So me I say, then and what kind of special occasion now you understand, lady? They do foot shall. So me I say, you know what? Let me just brush up that because several times we see she had a foot shell and it's not no special occasion. Yeah, so me not pay no mind. You understand, me love me go away and when me come back car yard now and go over there go look. When me go over there go look, me say she put up one picture. You understand? And under the picture I have sitting more blue moon. Me not remember how under there go, but me know me remember the blue moon. So when me see it, me I say but tan now. But tan lady, you know have to go and so. You don't have to go and so. Then imagine you're going to Blue Mountain. You go too much, so much hills and valleys and rocks to and gullies and something, and you have to do foot shall figure Blue Mountain. Anyways, my love. I say, all right, if I Blue Mountain it is, then Blue Mountain we're going. You understand, my dear children? So I go back home and I say, Agnes. Agnes said, And I said, if you ever like I said, we got a trip. Agnes said, to where? And I said, to Blue Mountain. Agnes said, then Chin, why you going to Blue Mountain? I said, Lady D is going to Blue Mountain. If you ever like I said, she and the team is going to Blue Mountain. I know, say, anywhere them I go, we got to be there. You cannot miss us. You understand? And Agnes, I said, but no, me have church. I said, Agnes, you got two church. You go to Sunday church and you go to Saturday church. Nothing no wrong if you miss one of the church them. Because for all of the new people them, we just come over here and know about me, Agnes. Me, Agnes, and self is just basically me, myself, and I. I make up character them. Them not real, except me real. Me real. Well, it's true we real enough with one way. We really understand. Because of the different sides to me. And yes, all of the uptown stocious people, all of most people go like say, or don't like mix up, or not to lie, or not wicked to self, or not lying, or not have one like a part of mix up side that or not have a little side of mix up. So don't go and like say yes. So see, over here I hear me talk about self and Agnes, and I say, oh, no never see them, I no never hear them. I make them up. Yes, my love. So now, as I was saying, now what I know say Agnes got the two church them. She go Saturday church and she go Sunday church because you know say the Saturday people them say after them church are the right church. And the Sunday people them say after them church is the right church. Agnes now want nothing stop her from going through the pearly gate. So she go the two church them. You understand? So that she can depend on the safe side. You understand, my love? Nothing serious. Nothing serious. God can't get too much praises. Right. So, I convinced Agnes and said, no, Agnes, we got to go to Blue Mountain. God now said nothing if you stop one of the day, them. You understand? So Agnes decide. So I said, all right, Agnes, like oh, your foot not so 100, you understand? Your foot not too good. We are going to start early out, you understand? So we can reach up there and wait pan them because we could have go with them and then go if we can. You know, you hold up the traffic pan the way if you go up there. The walk-in traffic, you hold it up. So we are going to lift out very early. So I'm love into the before day of the morning, me and Agnes strut out. Into the before day of the morning, me and Agnes strut out. And it take we nearly the entire day if you reach to the peak of Blue Mountain, my love. If it was me alone, me would have reached in no time. But you don't know Agnes is not hearty, so it take we nearly the entire day if we reach. So by the time we reach up there, we say, Lady D, them good up there already. My love, when we go up there, nobody never up there. So me I say, Agnes, if you like I say, we early, man. So we sit down, my love, we look, we wait, how can we can't see nobody. Me I say then tan man then. If you say Lady D foot them no good or back them no good. Imagine if Agnes can reach up a Blue Mountain and Lady D can reach up here. Yet no man, something wrong. So me say, all right, Agnes, me now go bring you. Just sit down here say, under that cool shade here. I soon come here, go see if I meet them pan the way coming. You understand, my love? Me loves. I go all the way right back down to the foot of the Blue Mountain Hill. Mountain, not hill, mountain. Not a single sign of them. So me say, all right. Being as me reach high foot already, make me this galang over Mountain View go see. I want hold them up. You understand, my love? If anything, I hold them up on the journey. My love. When I reach to Mountain View, everywhere like up, I see all of the car, them the X6, the X4, the X3, the X2, the X1, and the rest of them. You understand? Lock up some. I say, but done. But I wonder. Then I will lady did it. So me sit down and me a panda, no want me a panda, me a panda. Me say I wonder if she lock up in the house cause she don't want me a Agnes there. You understand, love? And I sit down there a little bit and I wait and I wait. Same time now, I say fresh. And I said fresh. And fresh said, I said, where is Lady D? Fresh say Lady D is into foreign. I said, fresh, what you say? Foreign what? Fresh said Lady D is into foreign. Me say what you say again. Fresh, if you think about it, tell me any more like yes. So. Fresh said, Lady D is up into Canada. I said, you're lying. I said, Fresh, you're lying because me just a come from Upper Blue Mountain and when me go up there, no Canada not up there. Fresh said, Lady. I said, don't lady me. If you're not going to tell me the truth, don't lady me. Lady D is into Canada. I said, fresh kiss the cross. Me loves fresh kiss the cross. I said, merciful Father God. Me say, you have a proof to me, say, Lady D is into foreign. And him go pan him phone, my love. Go pan him phone, my love. That time, at night, the way you know my love, count on was say, it take me a long time to climb down Blue Mountain Hill. You understand? So it was night. My love, when fresh go pan the phone. My loves, when fresh go pan the phone. All don't know, I say, Lady D sit down into place. Pan her life talking, say she into Canada and me here and then I lean them into the background. I say, Papa Jesus, them are something you never reach me a Agnes yet in her life. So, me love, you don't know what happened now. You don't know, say me have to climb back the hill into the hours of the night. They say, come me have to go for Agnes now. Me dear children, when I reach up there, cowly, all snow did I fall upon the top of the mountain up there, me love. When me go up there, Agnes frozen. Beloved, oh Jesus, I don't ever like to remember it that it had traumatized me. Beloved, I don't like to remember it, it had traumatized me. Beloved, when people up the Agnes frozen into a ball of ice. I couldn't even find her had it just the two eye them me see a people through what are the ice cube them below. So now you know again me got to sit down, you know and wait till the morning light out me love and the sun come out. When the sun come out now she thaw out. So when she thaw out now, you know me love and get warm up back and me I tell her what happened. Me love. From high no Agnes, I never hear Agnes holla so. I said, not to worry yourself, Agnes. We're going to Canada. Agnes, we're going to Canada by the hook or by the crook. We're going to Canada. So we coming back down now, you know, me love me and Agnes. So you know, say it take we another 3/4 of the day if you reach down. Anyway, you know, eventually we reach down, my love. We reach down and we reach home. We pack we belongings them and we leave out. So you know, if I one thing, me know God always the on we side. God is always on we side, my love. So we reach a Canada now, safe and sound. So as I speaking to who now, me and Agnes, we up into Canada, my love. Yes, my dear children. Glory be to God. Thanks be to Jesus. We arrive safe and sound. So no see because of the whole heap of ups and down, my love, you know, it kinda did set we back. You understand? But no worry about we man. We reach safely, my dear children. So we are cool off now. If we get ready for later, if we go down an annalyn place, if we go join in with the meeting and the greeting. And if we go, you know, hug up and the spin around camera. Oh, remember the spin around camera. Oh, no, don't know it. Oh, no, don't know the camera where you stand up under something and it just spin you around in a slow motion. And when you know sexy, make you look sexy. Oh, no, don't know that camera. You know it, Agnes. Agnes, why you have to go embarrass me? Agnes, me did not see a 360 camera. Good God, man. Me did not see a 360 camera. You have to talk so loud for people there here, Agnes. Me did not see a 360 camera, man. I don't like your behavior, you know. I don't like how you turn. Anyway, my love, I like a joke, man. I make man. I didn't know say a 360 camera. Oh, no, listen to be a hackness. That's how we make joke all the time. You understand? I know say it name was, you know, the 360 spin around camera. Yes, so oh no, I go see me a hackness pan it and all these things. Yes, my dear children. Yes, you know. Anyways now, to the Urian part now, my dear children. Down to the Urian part. No, my God, my loves. What a little young man grateful. No man, my loves. What a young man grateful him. So tell me say the young man, this young no. Him full of ambition. My love, the young man, him full of ambition and him full of determination. If ambition, determination, persistence, and not giving up was a person, my love, them would have named you Rain Miller. I'm not lying, I saw them would have named. Eh? And if you see all what him been through just to be where he is at now. Lady D, along with, the people them who contributed to him, can me can't say Planka alone. You understand? Can remember say I not just Plankas they donate to him. So we have to include them, the people there too. We can't left them out. But everybody, them all them come out and them help to make this young man, well, one of this young man dream come true. And right now him dey up in a foreign and excelling in him schoolwork and I do him thing. He might work so hard, not just to making family proud, but the donors, them, Lady D especially, and the entire Jamaica. Because you don't know before him come pan planka shop, him did it all over media, TV station, and a newspaper all about seeking assistance. So we have to say three-quarter of Jamaica know him, know of him story. And in the last now, you know him up in a planka shop. Big up to the two persons who reach out to Lady D, you understand? Who came on board and along with the planka donors now, them come out in a full force. Them come out like some very, very strong gushing hurricane wind, my love. And in a matter of hours, this young man was able to accumulate all he needed. For go further in education, you not see how God good, you never see God in this. Or never say God no lay down in this. Or God never sit down in this. God did turn up in this. It is supposed to happen. Or never say that. It is supposed to happen, man. So to the haters, them will fight and tear down this young man. Monkey face for I bear. I bear. Uno couldn't stop it. Uno go hard. Uno couldn't stop it. How do feel? How do they are going? Uno see the big ogre. When Lady D go meet the little boy and pick him up, uno see it. Uno see the love. Or don't see the appreciation, or don't see the genuineness, or don't see it. Or don't fully. I yet do not give up. The past social media make a big jackass of yourself. Or don't tear down this young man. Or don't accuse him of being a beggar. Or don't accuse him of being a liar. Or don't call him scammer. Or don't call him thief. Or don't call him GAY. Left one, or don't call him only God in his nose. Or don't label him with all kind of negativity. And despite all of that, Uno couldn't stop him. Uno couldn't prevent this. Uno despise Lady D so much. Uno despise the lady so much that Uno would have got to any levels to make this woman look bad. And Uno not care if it would have caused the reputation. And Uno not care if it would have ruined the reputation of a trying young man. An innocent child. Another woman's belly pain. Uno never care. Uno go as far as to try broke into the young man's school account for sure how Uno did determine how no torment how Satan a poke on down no backside. Ah, look there. Look there. Uno all talk how much the young man then come to Canada and him not there Canada. Look here, then I went there down. Went there. Look how him a glow. Look how it feel like I said him neighbor ching did cut a foreign. Like him born and grow a foreign. Uno see him come up there and blend in. Uno see him well blended in a foreign like a me and Agnes. Eh? And these are some of the things why me not care when nobody wants to say. Me not care how much styling me want get out here. Me not gonna stop supporting this lady. Me not care what kind of negativity uno come with. Me not look upon none of uno. Because what? Nobody is perfect. The only perfect being will walk this earth are Jesus himself, my brother. My brother Jesus. Him are the only being will walk this earth who is perfect. All of we got flaws. So you can't say like one yap on the mouth. You could have one yap, you could have talk so till you develop. You could have talk so till you develop thyroid problems. Me no look. And you rain continue to maintain your focus. Don't be distracted. Enough of them shame now. Enough of them shame now. Shame a kill them. Shame a kill them. Well, some of them still sitting down waiting to see a downfall, waiting for run out for come and laugh and somebody tell her no, we did right. But guess what? That will never happen. The day now go come, God now go make that happen. They will never see you fall because God not like ugly. Who knows? One of these days, you're gonna be one of them grandpitney or them great grandpitney interviewer. Them boss. You may even be of great benefits to them one day because with your level of gratuity, right now, me more than positive say you will be paying it forward. So while Ansa and Congo man name up and name a feed pan them same picnic them are them same grand picnic them are great grand picnic them with their apply for the Urian Miller Scholarship. Ara received the Urian Miller Scholarship, not knowing how much them gingeration they try to do this young man. Not knowing how much them gingeration they try to tear you down. But God never give them the upper hands. Him never make them win. Him open doors for you when none of them couldn't shut. Him never just bless you with financial aid. Him bless you with people. Nice, genuine people who love you genuinely and I'll look out for you. And also looking out for your best interests. So as me say, go and hold up your head. Continue striving for excellence. Don't be deterred by naysayers because all of this, life come with tests and it come with testimony. And for you, all of this is a testimony. This is a story for you, one that should be told so that others can be inspired and motivated. Some loves, dreams do become reality. No make nobody tell you no say the only dream will come true and when you go your bed and sleep and dream see you pee and you wake up and see your bed wet up. Not make a soul tell you so. One of Urian's dream was studying in Canada. You understand? And him never just sit down and a dream. Him work towards it, him pray about it. Him never give up. You understand? And see it now. The next thing coming up is graduation for him. Perfect example. So young people, wanna use this as an example. You understand? Use this young man as an example. Chase your dreams. Never give up. Anyways, my love. Me and Agnes, we got to leave on now. You understand? We're gonna get ready for going on another line later. So I will see you down there in the meeting and the greeting, my love. I remember when you come for me and Agnes autograph on a farmer line. Farmer line, on nobody can crowd around and cluster around with on a farmer line. Alright, so peace out, enough love. See you now. Bye bye. Later.